In this video, we'll show you how to embed your Interact quiz onto your Showit site. So here I am in the Showit website or in the builder. I'm going to click on desktop view only, and this is the page that I want to embed my quiz on. Now I'm going to go into this home menu and delete out some of these items because I want this page to only have the quiz on it as to not distract people from clicking out or doing anything else other than completing the quiz. Now that I have my site ready to go, I'm ready to embed the quiz. I'm going to click this middle icon down here, and then I'm going to click on Embed Code. And then you can drag and drop this frame to the size that you want your quiz to be, and also the placement on the page where you want it to appear. So that looks good. Now I'm going to head over to my Interact account, and for the quiz that I'm wanting to embed, I'm going to click on Share and Embed. Click on Embed Code, click on the JavaScript tab, and then I'm going to leave this toggle on so that the quiz auto resizes no matter what device the quiz taker is using, mobile or desktop. And I'm also going to toggle this Use Custom Embed Size on and change the dimension, the width, to 1500. Now I'm going to click Copy Code and go back to Showit, double click on this frame that I've just embedded and paste the code in here. And before I hit save, I'm going to put my cursor right here in the code, so after the space next to div, and I'm going to put in align equals, in quotes, center, space, and then hit save. And this will just ensure that your quiz is centered, again, depending on no matter which device your quiz taker is on. Now, sometimes this image doesn't load, but have no fear, it is there. If I click on preview, I'm able to see my quiz landing page, what type of photographer are you, and my leads can start clicking in and taking the quiz. And that is how you embed an Interact quiz on a Showit site.